Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best home gym equipment for 2024. Whether you're setting up a new workout space or upgrading your current gear, we've got the top picks to help you reach your fitness goals. Let's start with our first product. First up, we have the NordicTrack T Series Treadmill, a top choice for home use, perfect for both walking and running. This treadmill is designed to provide a comprehensive cardio workout with its impressive range of features. It includes a 10% incline to add intensity to your workouts and help you burn more calories. The Bluetooth-enabled console lets you connect to interactive training sessions and stream your favorite music or shows while you exercise. With a 300 lbs user capacity, it's built to be sturdy and durable for users of all sizes. The treadmill's spacious running surface and FlexSelect cushioning ensure a comfortable and supportive run, reducing impact on your joints. Reviewers love its easy-to-use interface and the seamless integration with the iFit app, providing access to a variety of workouts and personalized training plans. Compared to other treadmills in its category, the NordicTrack T Series stands out for its versatility, advanced features, and reliable performance, making it an excellent addition to any home gym in 2024. Next, we have the NZG PowerDyne adjustable dumbbell weights, a versatile addition to any home gym setup. These adjustable dumbbells come in various weight options, including 55 lbs, 110 lbs, and 80 lb, 160 lbs, making them suitable for a wide range of strength training exercises. The standout feature of these dumbbells is their easy adjustment mechanism, which allows you to quickly change weights with a simple twist of the handle. This design saves you space and money by replacing the need for multiple sets of dumbbells. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the comfortable grip provides a secure hold during intense workouts. Users appreciate the compact design, which is perfect for small workout spaces. The NZG PowerDyne adjustable dumbbells are ideal for everything from bicep curls and tricep extensions to shoulder presses and squats, making them a highly versatile tool for both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. Compared to other adjustable dumbbells on the market, these stand out for their reliability, ease of use, and solid build quality. If you're looking to maximize your home gym equipment with minimal space, the NZG PowerDyne adjustable dumbbell weights are a fantastic choice for 2024. Next up are the Fit Simplify Resistance Loop exercise bands, a versatile and convenient addition to any home gym. These resistance bands come in a set of 5 varying resistance levels, from extra light to extra heavy, making them suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to start with light resistance or an advanced athlete seeking a challenge, these bands have got you covered. The high-quality latex material ensures durability and provides a consistent stretch, allowing for a wide range of exercises such as squats, lunges, and stretching routines. The bands are compact and lightweight, making them perfect for home use as well as for travel. They come with an instruction guide and a carry bag, adding to their convenience and portability. Users love the versatility of these bands, using them for physical therapy, rehabilitation, stretching, and strength training. Compared to other resistance bands on the market, the Fit Simplify bands stand out for their quality, variety of resistance levels, and ease of use. Next, let's talk about the Peloton indoor exercise bikes, which include the original Peloton bike and the upgraded Bike Plus. These bikes have revolutionized home fitness with their sleek design, interactive features, and top-notch performance. The original Peloton bike is equipped with a 21.5-inch HD touchscreen, allowing you to stream live and on-demand classes from the comfort of your home. It offers a smooth and quiet ride with a near-silent belt drive and magnetic resistance. The bike also features adjustable handlebars and a comfortable saddle, ensuring a perfect fit for all users. The Bike Plus takes the Peloton experience to the next level with a 23.8-inch rotating touchscreen, making it easy to transition from cycling to floor workouts like yoga or strength training. It also includes an upgraded sound system, automatic resistance adjustments, and Apple Gym Kit integration, allowing seamless connectivity with Apple devices. Both bikes come with access to Peloton's extensive library of classes, led by world-class instructors, and offer a variety of workouts to suit all fitness levels. Users rave about the motivational community, the high-quality workouts, and the overall convenience of having a professional-grade exercise bike at home. Finally, let's dive into the Marcy Smith Machine Multi-Purpose Power Cage, an all-in-one training system designed for home gym enthusiasts. This power cage offers a comprehensive workout solution with its robust and versatile design. It features a freestanding frame with a built-in pull-up bar, perfect for upper body workouts, and a landmine station for varied strength training exercises. The Smith machine comes with adjustable bar catches and safety stoppers, ensuring a safe and secure workout environment. The heavy-duty steel construction provides durability and stability, capable of supporting intense training sessions. The integrated cable system allows for a wide range of pulley exercises, while the multiple attachment points make it easy to customize your workouts with different grips and angles. The power cage also includes a dip station, leg developer, and a multi-grip pull-up bar, offering endless possibilities for strength and conditioning. Users appreciate the versatility and compact design, making it suitable for home gyms with limited space. The Marcy Smith machine stands out from other power cages with its multifunctional capabilities and solid build quality.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.